In this short tutorial, you will learn how to delete a post on Instagram. Deleting a post is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap and select the Instagram post that you want to delete. Then tap on these three little dots at the top right of the post. And then tap Delete. Tap Delete one more time to confirm it. That post is now deleted. This is exactly how you can delete posts on Instagram. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.